I guess I'm kind of in a mood right now. I've got a million things to do right now. I need a minute just to breathe, I just got on. My body doesn't have a time zone yet. I've been a drill before we climb in bed.
So you're probably
My phone
wondering,
is
why in the
buzzing
world
in the
am I
sheets.
sitting in a little kid's seat? Well, it's one of the most comfortable spots as of now, besides sitting over there in the kitchen. But if I sit on the sofa, I'll be hunched over. And I actually have some photos to edit. Last month we went to, was it last month? Yeah, last month we went to a family member's birthday party. I took my camera. Wasn't asked to take photos, but I did. Well, let's just say I'm like a month behind on actually editing these photos. And I just realized that all of those saved photos are on my Apple Lazy Drive. So I have to transfer that to the other SSD. So give me a second. Okay, so I finally have my photos transferred over. Now, the reason it's taken me over a month to start the editing process, and it's like over 300 photos. And I realized a couple of years ago that I'm not cut out for photography, and it has everything to do with the editing process. Like, I love the editing process when it comes to video, but I hate the editing process when it comes to photo, because editing video is fun to me, but photos, not so fun. Like, all the fun was in taking the photos, but then the sucky part is, for me personally, is editing the photos. But anyways, I also hate using the Dell. No, not just the Dell, but I hate using laptops. Now, if you don't know, I have an iMac. I can't remember the size, but it's like the largest iMac you can buy. And I've had it since like 2014, 2015-ish. So it's an older iMac, and it's definitely slowed down quite a lot. So for some reason, I can edit like on Premiere Pro. Now, I know it's been optimized. Premiere Pro has started to be optimized for Apple products. So, but I can't use Lightroom effectively on the iMac. It's very, very slow, very time consuming. So I use this. I'm using this to edit those photos, which I don't like. I hate editing video and photos on laptops because I'm so used to that large screen. So yeah, that's part of it. But to my family member, I'm not going to say any names because they may not want to be on camera or their name out there. I'm sorry. I'm getting to it now. I'm going to get these photos out. I just had to wrap my mind around editing over 300 pictures and like choosing what I think they would like. So, but anyways, I'm going to get started. And hopefully this is, I want this to be like almost like a day in the life. I want to, again, attempt to try to do those videos. Now, I'm not saying this is gonna be a daily thing, but I want to incorporate that with some of the technology stuff that I talk about. So let me get started. Open up Lightroom here. Oh, let's start this process of importing photos, which is not that bad on the XPS 15. It would take about 20 minutes on that iMac over there because, again, it's very old. So this should be a matter of a few minutes just to get them into Lightroom. If I can get Lightroom to open up. Okay, so a little bit of a problem. It's been like over a month since I've actually opened up this laptop. And that's bad. It's bad, I know. But I had to do a bunch of updates. So that's thrown a little monkey wrench into the whole day. But I'm gonna check back in with you guys because I'm gonna attempt to do my whole day up to going to pick up my little one. Because obviously we know this whole COPPA issue. I don't want to be flagged as a kid-friendly channel. So I'm gonna try to keep my daughter out of these videos. I don't want them to say that she's a child model or an actress or whatever. So Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so right now I am actually in the process of prepping for dinner tonight. So for dinner, what we are having is obviously sweet potatoes. So what we're doing is we're gonna have sweet potato noodles with some type of avocado sauce. I don't know the recipe. I'm just prepping. Obviously, I'm gonna cook, but as far as I know, my wife is making this avocado sauce that she found somewhere. But I'm going to attempt to spiralize, I'm assuming that's how you say it, these to make noodles for this dish tonight. I've never done this before. Now, I've done it with zucchini, but clearly I've never done this with actual sweet potatoes. So again, I have no clue if this is gonna work. I'm going to attempt this. Hopefully it works. Okay, so far it's not working. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Got something going here. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. So it's actually working. I'm actually making noodles from sweet potatoes. Again, I've normally done this with zucchinis. So to see this working like this, it's amazing. I'm gonna finish this and get back to you guys in a few minutes. Once I am completely done, I'm gonna throw these in a Ziploc bag and go pick up my daughter because I think I have a little bit less than an hour to go before I have to pick up the little one from school. Tell you, now it's getting hard. I'm gonna have to use this to, nope, that's not gonna work. It's a little different than zucchini for sure. Okay, I'm gonna finish. I'll be right back. Right in this is you. All I need is just a little time to get it right.
Yeah. Just watch me now. Just watch me. 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 I got the sun shining on my soul. Electric current down in my bones. So amazing, got me shaking. Pay attention if you know. Now I'm ready for my intro. Brought to you by my style alone. Clean and pretty, perfect fitting. You never seen this shit before. Get ready like 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! It's so good, got me up on this feeling. It's so good, just watch me now. Hey, got me up looking down, got me on higher ground. Hey, it's so good, going low and no ceiling. It's so good, how you like me now. On the top looking down, got me on higher ground. Come on. Just watch me now.
Okay, so here it is. I have a mountain of sweet potato noodles. I have to say, using a manual spiralizer, whatever you're calling this thing, that was extremely hard on my wrist when it comes to something as thick or hard as a sweet potato. Now, I don't know if I should have made them soft somehow, which probably would have been a good idea, but I'm not familiar with this whole process. Again, I normally do it with zucchini noodles. But anyways, the only thing that I have left is to actually just bag these up, throw them in the refrigerator, and I might maybe have about 5 minutes of peace to myself before I have to go pick up the little one. So maybe later, if I can remember, I'll show you a video or picture of the whole dish, if I can remember. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you like videos like this. I'm not sure if I'll continue to do videos like this. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, time to clean up.
If you want this, I got to come get this, I gotta be. Yeah, everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal, this hand is royal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be. Yeah, everything you want me to be, baby. You know I'm loyal, this hand is royal. It don't get no better than this. When I come up to your doorstep, little knockety knock knock, what you got for your mama? You can't cut out the drama, leave it in the past, so you might as well keep your smile. But I know you're good for it. You never let me down. I know you're good for it. You always hold me down. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you lately. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you.